Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
In Hawaii until 12:15 p.m. At 11:41 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waimanalo and Hawaii Kai, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Honolulu Marine Base, Hawaii Kai, Waimanalo, Kailua, Maunawili, Koko Crater, Waialaiki, Bellows Air Force Station, Waialae, Hanauma Bay, Kalama Valley, and Semi Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.